Hello, chef.
Hi.
Chef, could you please tell us how to make a cone which we use for chocolate?
Yeah. So right now I'm making this. So I'm gonna make this a coffee. I have written a coffee. So for that, what I have done, we have printed like this. So whenever you print, make sure you have enough space between the letters. So I have taken out in a A4 paper and we have placed the OHP sheet on the top of that.
Okay,
So
chef.
right now I'm using a gold. Gold is a chocolate, which is like a caramelized chocolate. A Calligraphy the brand. It is a very good in a taste. So I have melted some chocolate here and tempered. If you see it's getting set, so I'll melt little more for a couple of 10 seconds maximum. Okay. In a 10 second it will be at the right temperature. We will temper it again, and we will by the time we will make a cone. For the making a cone,
Okay,
this is done, I believe. This is done.
Okay, chef.
You can see.
Yes,
So
chef.
make sure there is no lump and it's melted properly, and there's what this called. It should be tempered as well at the same time. For the tempering, we heat the chocolate till 45 degrees Celsius and we reduce the temperature of the chocolate, and we bring to the at the temperature of 27, and then reheat it till 31.
Okay, chef.
So I'm taking out all the chocolate. Make sure there's no lump. Okay. So I have made a cone. Okay. So cut the tip of the cone with the scissor or knife. Make sure your cone should be cut properly. So see the line, okay? There is a line. You can see this. So you can see this beautiful coffee written. Once this gets set, so you can demold like this. I'll show you one.
Yes, chef.
Be careful. You can keep it in a fridge for a while and then demold it. If it is not coming out easily, use a kind of a knife or blade something, and you can see the beautiful coffee written. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय. We'll see you in next video.
Thank you so much, chef.